Yo, what's good? It's your boy Driving Addict back at it with another Walmart delivery video, aka Spark Driver app, Spark Driver for Walmart. So for this order, it keeps popping up, and they keep on increasing the bonus. I woke up like an hour ago and had to take my dog out and stuff. So it's like a $5 extra for like in-store pickup. So I just arrived at the parking lot. Now we're gonna go inside and pick up these 5 orders and deliver them to the customer's home. Simple as that. Follow me on my journey, fam. All right, so for orders that you gotta go inside, you head to the customer service, and then there's like a express driver pickup. And then if no one's there, you press the button, and then you wait for them to bring the orders out, and then you scan all the orders, and then you take them to your car and go deliver them. You know, simple as that. All right, so we're just waiting on them to bring out the orders. See you guys in a little bit. All right, then just got 5 orders. We got like a baby mattress today and some small items in there. So just 5 orders. Takes like about 5 minutes for them to bring out 5 orders. You know, they're not as organized as Amazon Flex, Whole Foods, but I don't know, maybe they'll get better. Maybe they'll get better with time, you know. This is like their 2nd week doing the Spark Driver thing, so you know. So I think we got a baby mattress, got some I don't know what's in there, just typical Walmart items, you know. All right, let's load these puppies up and go deliver them, you know. Follow me on my journey, fam. I'm gonna load it up. Just 5 items. Bam! Got some, I don't know, gummy bears or something. Dryer sheets, I think. Baby formula, and I don't know, some sort of vitamins. All right, let's go deliver some smiles for Walmart Spark Driver. See you guys in a little bit. All right, fam, so first order is 13 minutes away, 5.3 miles, 13 minutes away in Springboro. So that's like a high-end neighborhood of south of Dayton, so hopefully we'll get some good tips today. If not, then I don't know, there's like a $5 bonus or something for this order. I only woke up like 1 hour ago, haven't had enough coffee yet. Follow me on my journey, fam. Let's go get let's go deliver some of these puppies back here. All right, follow me on my journey. Oh yeah, I don't know if I said this earlier, so this order is for a minimum of $32.90 plus tips. 5 orders. So the ones that you gotta come inside is like small orders, like usually just 1 or 2 things, but it's like 2 different houses. I think these are like 2-hour pickup orders, 2-hour orders from Walmart, you know. So the pay for these, I think, is higher, you know. So I can be tipped 5 times from this 5 orders, you know. Hopefully I'll be tipped 5 times. My guess is this thing's gonna take 1 hour, maybe 2, I don't know. I haven't seen all the addresses yet, so let's hope for the best. Beautiful, nice sunny day in Dayton, Ohio. Follow me on my journey, fam. All right, so on the app you would swipe, say at delivery location, swipe that. Proceed with delivery. You gotta scan it. So for these orders, you have to scan them, compared to like the big batch order, you don't have to scan them. So you gotta scan them, make sure you got the right order, and then you drop it off at the front door and snap a photo and submit it and go on to the next one. That's all there is to it. Now I got the order. Drop it at the front door. Snap a photo. the next one. On to the next one, fam. All right, so I know I probably said this earlier in my previous videos, but my app of choice for navigation is Google Maps, you know. So the next one is only 1 mile away, 4 minutes. All right, still in Springboro. All right, follow me on my journey.
Head south on Abbey Drive toward Far Drive.
What is it? Google Maps with satellite view is the best, but that one takes a very long time to load up. So I just use the default view, you know, the regular map view instead of satellite. But satellite works even better when you try to pinpoint the house and all that, you know. All right, so let's go deliver this second order. Follow me on my journey. All right. So if you thought only poor people shop at Walmart, you're wrong, you know. Well, maybe Walmart delivers now, so you know everybody's buying from Walmart. This is like a upper middle class neighborhood south of Dayton, Ohio. Very nice upper class neighborhood.
Turn left onto Grand Wood Court.
Or upper middle class. Springboro or Clear Creek, Ohio. So I think for today's order it's mostly in the Springboro area.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Turning Leaf Crossing.
So hopefully we'll get some good tips. Let's hope for the best. See you guys in a little bit. Alright fam, so I just finished my last delivery, the 5th one at 12:26 p.m. So I think it says I picked it up at 11:17, but that doesn't seem right. My first delivery was at 11:38. And, I have another order. This one is a curbside pickup for a minimum of $13.95. 2 orders. Gotta pick it up by 12:45. So it's $13.95 plus tips. So let's hope for the best. So let's go back to Walmart and get some more orders. See you guys in a little bit. Alright fam, so we're back at Walmart for this curbside pickup, and let's pull into one of these curbside pickup. Alright, we're gonna go number 2 today, slot number 2, and you still gotta call that number. So on the app you say confirm arrival. The average wait time is 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. And then you gotta call the number and tell them the last name of the 2 orders of the customers. Alright, so I'm gonna dial them and I'll wait for them to load up to my van. Alright, see you guys in a little bit.
Online base pickup, I'm gonna help you.
Hi, I have a Spark driver pickup order for 2 orders.
Oh.
Hello?
What's your name?
My name or the name of the customer?
Just your name.
My name is Van Din.
Alright, I got you.
Alright, I'm in space number 2.
Alright, I'm gonna have it up for you in just a moment.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Thanks, bye-bye. Alright, so I guess Walmart got into the flow of things, you know. This is their 2nd week doing Spark delivery, so they actually know what my order is. Last week I have to tell the name of the customer, so I guess today they just know what I got and they're gonna load it up for me and go on from there. So they call this like a batch order, so it's like a big order, you know, like first one got 18 items, second one got 19 items, both in Miami Spur. So for a minimum pay of $13.95 plus tips. So let's hope for the best. See you guys in a little. So we got 2 orders, one in the back seat and then one in the trunk, and let's go deliver some groceries, you know. See you guys in a little bit. Can't do that with the Amazon DSP van, right? Alright, so first one, Donna is in the trunk, 18 items, and Cammy is 19 items. Both are in Miami Spur. Alright, let's go deliver them. Right. So I just dropped off the last order for this trip, and then there's another offer coming up. Same thing. 2 orders for $13.95 plus tips. Pick it up, curbside pickup by 1:45. So now I'm heading back to the Walmart, and let's go deliver some more groceries. Follow me in my journey. Alright fam, so I'm back at it with Walmart again. It's 6:15 now. I went live on YouTube a couple hours ago, and then so we try to finish out the day on a good note, but today was a little bit sloppy. I think these Walmart associates are not trained to do these Spark orders, you know, Spark deliveries. So they were loading up the two batch orders into my car, and they couldn't figure out which is which, you know. And then it took them like 15 minutes to sort it out. And as a driver, I don't know what the customer orders, you know. I only know they got 44 items, and I don't know what the individual items are. So let's hope for the best. So let's hope they got it right, and let's go deliver these groceries, you know. See you guys in a little bit. Alright fam, so I guess I'm done for today with Walmart. So today I worked like from I think like from 11 to 7, so like 8 hours, 8 or 7 hours, for a total pay of $93, and plus tips. So I don't know about the tips until 24 hours later. So there's some issues with the last order. It was like a batch order, you know, like where the customer have like one order has 40 items, and the second order or second customer has like 32 items, and the Walmart associate like couldn't figure out which is which, you know. So it took some time to sort it out, and I don't know if they got it right or not. So, you know, it's their second week doing the Spark delivery thing, and it's my second week doing Spark too. So, you know, let's hope for the best. Hopefully I still get paid for my last order, you know. The orders got mixed up. So other than that, today was okay, you know. So hopefully I get like at least $50 tips. That would be like $140 for 8 hours. So, or hopefully even more, you know. So the base pay is only like $90 plus some tips. So that's what it's like to deliver for Walmart, you know. Once again, thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to ring the notification bell, and if you really like my video, please share it. And Holly, say bye to you. Holly, say bye. Holly, say bye. All right, and I'm gonna take Holly out and just take the rest of the day off, you know. Thanks for watching fam. Peace.